Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: a funded Quotex account and Yqt Bot Pro installed with your license key. Once done, link the bot to Quotex via API or webhook. That connection lets the bot place orders directly. Make sure your initial stake, trading pair, and timeframe are set, and enable demo mode so you can watch behavior without risking real funds. These steps get you moving immediately. They remove setup ambiguity and let the bot begin simulated trading right away. Now you configure the core strategy parameters so the bot knows how and when to act. Select a template, scalping for quick trades or trend for longer moves, and adjust indicators like EMA and RSI thresholds. Next, set risk controls: stop loss percent, take profit percent, and a cap on consecutive losses, because preserving capital matters more than chasing wins. Finally, tune timing options such as order delay, candle confirmations, and active trading hours so the bot aligns with market rhythm and your plan. To finalize, run the bot in demo and monitor the first 50 trades closely. Log results and tweak parameters based on performance. Once consistent, switch to live mode with a reduced stake and enable trailing stop and cooldown timers to protect gains and prevent rapid overtrading. If something goes wrong, first check the API connection and time synchronization, then inspect bot logs for rejected orders or rate limits. Restart the service after fixes. These final checks help you go live with confidence and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.